okay, yeah, alright, 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 yeah, okay, yeah, alright, 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 yeah, okay, yeah, alright, alright, alright. Listen. Look, tell me if tomorrow doesn't come, would you be okay with that? Caught in the loop, just me and you, now could you stay with that? Really got my vision set on you, I swear I prayed for that. Even in our darkest times, I never parted ways with that. Late night conversations in my whip, how you feeling about this? Telling me that maybe we should split so that I can focus on this gift. What if, what if, what if? What if I make it, then I leave you for some other bitch? Baby girl, I told you, you the only chick I'm fucking with. Baby girl, it's complicated, I know you've been tired of waiting. Can't let you go, but I know this road gonna need that kind of patience. I'ma need you with me now to hold me down, hold this crown. I hope this sound gonna hit you back so that one day I can show you how I did it for you. Alright, 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 and how I had to go and get it for you. No lie, no lie, no lie. Baby, one day I'ma show you how I did it for you. Alright, 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 and how I had to go and get it for you. No lie, no lie, no lie, no lie, no lie. Look, and girl, I get it, I hate it when I ain't home a lot. Really miss my babies, I want you with every show I rock. And lately we just argue about the same old shit. And every now and then admit it, it's been time to call it quits, okay? Okay. Yeah, but it ain't that easy, huh? When around thinking that we done, but I know you need me, huh? It's tough when I'm on my buzz and you wanna get heated, what? I just wanna get shit done, I know